NW Publisher. This video is part of the NW Publisher First Time Installation playlist.
Connect.
Before connecting to your congregation NW database, the following details must be ready. Region, Congregation ID, Congregation PIN, your first name, and your person PIN. These data will be available from your elders if your congregation is already implementing the use of NW Publisher. Let's use the following example data. From Google Play Store, locate and tap the Open button to open the NW Publisher app. This app may also be opened from the home screen or from the app screen by tapping on the NW Publisher icon. Select Region by tapping on the drop-down list box under it. Tap on a region to select it. For example, if your region is Asia Pacific, tap on it. Tap on the box under Congregation ID. Enter your congregation ID. Tap on the box under Congregation PIN. Enter your congregation PIN. Tap Connect. If you encounter an error showing your congregation ID does not exist in this region, do the following. Make sure that you selected the correct region. Make sure that congregation ID is entered correctly. And make sure that you entered the congregation PIN correctly. If you find mistakes, make the necessary corrections. And contact your local elders if you encounter the same connection error again. Try connecting again by tapping the Connect button. Once you see this screen, it means that NW Publisher app found your congregation in the selected region and has successfully connected to it. Next, NW Publisher will need to authenticate you as a valid user. Tap the box under First Name. Do not enter your full name. Enter only your first name. Tap on the text box below the person PIN. Enter your person PIN. Tap the Identify button. NW Publisher is now authenticating you as a valid user within the congregation it's successfully connected to.
AR Tutorials.